Well, moving to the United States, where an atmospheric river and developing bomb cyclone are bringing heavy rain and fierce winds to the east coast. And all this while highlighting the industry's increasing vulnerability to climate change. A powerful storm that met the definition of bomb cyclone on Thursday morning brought extreme wind and rain to the east coast. AccuWeather Meteorology said that the storm's pressure dipped the required 0.71 of an inch of mercury in less than 24 hours between Wednesday and Thursday morning. Over a dozen states were hit by the massive storm, with over 100 reports of wind damage from North Carolina to Maine. And according to Power Outage US, Eastern Maine had the highest number of wind damage reports, and 90,000 customers are without power. The National Weather Service issued a lake effect snow warning for Erie, Genesee, Wyoming, and Cattaraugus counties until 1 p.m. local time on Friday, with 2 to 3 feet of snow possible in some areas.
With the weather challenges we have had over the last 5 or 6 years, unfortunately, we do get some wet weather this time of the year, and we spent a lot of time over the summer months preparing the drainage that I just spoke about. So with all the new drains we put in, it really helps to shed the water off the snowpack.
The storm is bringing heavy rain and fierce winds to many areas, and flooding is also possible in some places. The forecasters say one of the key factors driving the weather is an atmospheric river, which is a long band of water vapor that can transport moisture from the tropics to more northern areas. The current weather system, featuring an atmospheric river and developing bomb cyclone, is expected to bring winds exceeding 60 miles per hour.
It would have came down even more and just